Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Edmad. I'm delighted that you are here and watching this video. In this video, I want to show you how to get a free domain, provided that you stay with us until the end of this video and follow all the instructions. So, let us see how to do it. First, go to the relevant website. The link to this website is provided in this video description. And with a single click, you can access the website. After entering the website, search for a domain you want. This website offers free domain with .uk and .co.uk extension for 1 year. To get a free domain, you need to create a user account and enter your information, including your name, last name, phone number, mail address, and date of birth. Now pay attention to the address details. If your address in the UK, that's better. Now let's move on the payment step. Here, you need to make a payment for £1 to ensure that you are using a credit card. But don't worry about the payment, as this website will refund the payment to your account. So, now you have successfully registered your free domain. We appreciate your company until this moment. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.